Good morning, dear final year students. Today we are going to discussing about single cell protein. Single cell protein. Introduction about single cell protein. The term single cell protein was coined at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA in 1967. The single cell protein is the dried cell mass of microorganisms such as algae, bacteria, yeast, and some filamentous fungi grow in large culture systems for their protein contents. Large scale culture systems for their protein contents. The name single cell protein derived as the majority of the microorganisms used for its protein are unicellular. For example, bread contains yeast cells. Lactic acid bacteria are found in fermented milk products such as cheese and yogurts. SCP is mainly produced as an animal feed. Microorganisms can be genetically modified to produce cells with desirable characters and results. Protein content is usually and relatively high in single cell proteins. Biomass. Biomass also plays a very important role in the production of SCP. Selection of biomass depends on the microorganisms used for the production. For example, algae are cultivated on sewage, various yeast are cultured on agro-industrial wastes. SCP SCP production in India. National Botanical Research Institute, Central Food Technological and Research Institute, and CFTR SCP is produced from algae cultured on sewage. Algal biomass. Algae grows autotropically, requires low intensity of light, temperature 35, 40 and pH 8.5 to 10.5. Cultivated in large trenches of sewage oxidation ponds. What are single cell proteins? Single cell proteins are dried cells of microorganisms which can be used as dietary protein supplement. They are used as animal feed and can be used for human feed as a protein supplement, also called novel food and mini food. CP production. Selection of suitable strain. Strain means organisms, fermentation, harvesting, post harvest treatment, SCP processing for food. Microorganisms. Microorganisms used are fungi, yeast, algae, and bacteria. The following table shows average different compositions of main groups of microorganisms. Compositions: protein, fat, nucleic acid, fungi. Fungi 30 to 40%, algae 40 to 60%, yeast 45 to 55%, bacteria 50 to 65% in protein content. Fat in fungi 9 to 14%, algae 8 to 10%, yeast 5 to 10%, bacteria 3 to 7%. Nucleic acid content in fungi 7 to 10%, algae 3 to 8%, yeast 6 to 12%, bacteria 8 to 12%. Okay, a list of the microorganisms used for SCP production. Fungi: Aspergillus fumigates, Aspergillus niger, Rhizopus cyclopeum. Yeast: Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Candida tropicals, Candida utilis. Algae: Spirulina species, Chlorella farinosa and Chondrus criceps. Bacteria: Pseudomonas fluorescens, Lactobacillus, Bacillus megaterium. This is a fungi structure, yeast and algae and bacteria. Selection of strain. It is a very critical step as the quality of protein depends on totally on the microbe that is used for the production. Thus, careful selection of the strain should be done. Care should be taken that selected strain should not produce any toxic or undesirable effects in the consumer. Okay, fermentation. It can be carried out in the fermenter which is equipped with aerator, thermostat, pH, etc., or in the trenches or ponds. Microbes are cultured in fed and batch cultures. Engineers have developed deep lift and fermenter and airlift fermenters. Raw materials. Production of SCP requires microorganisms that serve as the protein sources and the substrate, that is biomass on which they grow. There is a variety of both the sources that can be used for the production of SCP. The biomass used can be plant biomass and organic biomass. The microorganisms used belong to the group of algae and fungi and bacteria. Yeast biomass, cultivated on agro-industrial waste such as molasses and starchy material, fruit pulp and wood pulp, etc., requires temperature 30 to 34 to and pH 3.5 to 4.5. Also requires addition of inorganic acids, sulfur supplements in the form of salts. Applications as protein supplemented food, also sources of vitamins, amino acids, minerals, crude fibers, etc. Supplemented food for undernourished children as a health food, controls obesity, provides instant energy. Examples: spirulina, part of diet of US Olympic team. In cosmetics, important role in maintaining healthy hair, vitamin A and B. Many herbal beauty products, biolipsticks and herbal face cream, and phycocyanin, capable of replacing coal tar dye based cosmetics. Poultry and cattle feed, excellent convenient source of protein and other nutrients, used to feed cattle and fishes, etc. Processing for food, it includes liberation of cell proteins by destructions of indigestible cell wall, mechanical methods, crushing, crumbling, grinding, pressure homogenization, etc. Chemical methods, enzymes and salts are used to digest or disturb the cell wall. Salts like NaCl, sodium, dodecyl and sulfate, etc. Various nuclease enzymes are used. Physical methods, freeze, thaw, osmotic shock and heating and drying. Advantages, rapid successions of generations, easily modifiable genetically, high protein content 43 to 85% in dry mass, broad spectrum of original raw material used for production, which also includes waste products, production in continuous cultures, and consistent quality, not dependent on climate in determinable amount, and low land requirements, economically beneficial. Utilization of solar energy, cellular, molecular and genetic alterations. Disadvantages, high content of nucleic acids leading to elevated levels of uric acid, development of kidney stone and go it consumed in high quality, possibility for the presence of secondary toxic metabolites, poor digestibility, stimulation of gastrointestinal hypersensitivity of skin reactions. Thank you.